Hi, this is Peter Kinch. You know, one of the most common questions I get today is this a good time to buy real estate or not? Well, we're sitting here in the summer of 2010. What's happening with interest rates? Should I buy? Should I sell? Well, let's take a look at it. You know, every real estate market has an ebb and flow to it. In the spring, prices are going to go up because activity is building up. In the summer, prices are going to soften a little bit because people go on holidays. That's what they do. You know, and this is the most important thing for anybody, whether it's your principal residence or whether you're a real estate investor. The most important thing is to have perspective. Let me give you a couple of points of perspective on the real estate market and mortgages and interest rates right now. This past spring, we saw three things that caused real estate prices to jump up. Number one, hey, it was a spring market. People are more active than usual, so prices naturally will be going up in any spring market. But that was compounded in Ontario and British Columbia by the fact there was going to be an HST factor coming in July 1st. Also, we had record low interest rates and all this hype about rates going through the roof and skyrocketing. Well, let me give you some perspective. First of all, HST only impacts brand new housing, and even that is being subsidized by a lot of developers. So in reality, HST has zero impact on the real estate market. We'll discover that in the next 6 months when the normal ebb and flow returns and prices start to settle, then go back up again. The other thing is interest rates. People are really afraid that interest rates are going to skyrocket, but let me tell you something. The Bank of Canada will be trying to raise interest rates if and only if the Canadian economy becomes overheated. However, if we take a look at some of the crises and issues that are happening in Europe, it's going to be very difficult for the Canadian economy to become overheated when we're dealing with crisis issues still in Europe. So yes, interest rates will go up, but they're certainly not going to skyrocket. So you can rest assured that a lot of the hype you're reading in the headlines today is going to be tempered. Remember, filter everything with a proper perspective, and that will help you make the right decisions and decisions you need to be successful as a real estate investor.